Living room. Living room. The main room for relaxing. Example. We watch TV in the living room. Bedroom. Bedroom. A room for sleeping. Example. She went to her bedroom to rest. Kitchen. Kitchen. Where food is cooked. Example. My mother is cooking in the kitchen. Bathroom. Bathroom. Room with toilet, sink and shower. Example. I brushed my teeth in the bathroom. Dining room. Dining room. Room for eating meals. Example. We had dinner in the dining room. Hallway. Hallway. A passage inside a house. Example. The hallway connects the rooms. Balcony. Balcony. An outside platform from a room. Example. He stood on the balcony to get fresh air. Garage. Garage. A place to park a car. Example. Our car is in the garage. Garden. Garden. Land with plants and flowers. Example. She grows roses in the garden. Yard. Yard. An open space around the house. Example. The kids played in the yard. Roof. Roof. The top cover of a house. Example. The roof protects us from rain. Basement. Basement. The underground part of a house. Example. We keep old boxes in the basement. Attic. Attic. The space under the roof. Example. The attic is full of old furniture. Porch. Porch. A covered area at the entrance. Example. They sat on the porch and talked. Study room. Study room. A room for reading or working. Example. She is studying in the study room. Guest room. Guest room. A room for visitors to stay. Example. Our uncle stayed in the guest room. Laundry room. Laundry room. A room for washing clothes. Example. The clothes are in the laundry room. Playroom. Playroom. A room where children play. Example. The kids are in the playroom. Window. Window. An opening in the wall for light and air. Example. She opened the window to let in fresh air. Door. Door. A movable barrier to enter a room. Example. He closed the door quietly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.